Welcome back. In this video, we are going to identify the conjugate acid and also conjugate base according to the Bronsted-Lowry. So it means that you have to remember the definition of acid and base according to Bronsted-Lowry. Alright, let's identify conjugate acid base. This conjugate acid base only apply on the Bronsted-Lowry theory. So you must have the clear idea. According to Bronsted, acid is proton donor. Okay. Then the next one, remember each acid will going to have conjugate base, while each base will going to have conjugate acid. The difference is by a proton, which is H+. Let's check with the example here. HNO2 will pair with NO2 negative. So let's look at here. We notice that HNO2 going to donate H+. Means that HNO2 is acid, while NO2 negative will be conjugate base. If we pair H2O with the H3O+, we notice that H2O gain H+. So H2O is the base, while the H3O+ will be conjugate acid. So let's say the equation is reversed. Like this, H3O+ goes to H2O. So if in this case H3O+ will lose H+. So H2O+ in this case will become acid, while H2O will become conjugate base. So from this example, we will always know that when we have the word conjugate, means that it is as the product. As usual, let's look at a few exercises. The conjugate base. So for HCl, in other words, to say all these three species now is acid, because they asked us to get the conjugate base. If they are acid, they are going to donate proton. So after HCl donate proton, the formula will be Cl negative. H2SO4 after donate the proton will become HSO4 negative. Why the charge becomes negative? Because they lost H+. So this is the exercise for you. While the other way, the question is asked us to look for the conjugate acid for NH3, Cn negative, and HCO3 negative. Hence, all these species here will be referred as base. So the definition for base according to Bronsted is accept H+. So after NH3 accept the H+, the conjugate acid is NH4+. So now you are going to do the B and C. We will check the answer during the lecture. Okay, let's look at one past year question, 2006-2007. Define acid and base according to Bronsted-Lowry. So it means that you cannot define based on what you remember, but you have to define according to Bronsted. Okay, acid and base. So here you will get 2 marks. And then identify the Bronsted-Lowry and base and their conjugate in the equation below. So at here, identify another 2 marks. So total is 4 marks. Okay. So NH3 we will pair with NH4+. While H2PO4 negative we will pair with HPO4 negative. Okay. This is also the exercise for you. We will discuss the answer in lecture or tutorial. Okay, let's look at another partial question. We are given a few examples here and then explain using the equation for the following terms. So means that for each one you have to give at least one species, so there will be 3 marks. And then after you choose the species, you will give the equation, so another 3 marks as well. So total is 6 marks. Okay, thank you for your time, and then we will discuss the answer in tutorial or in